Stand for a moment with the feet parallel. Notice how you're standing. And then just lift your arches of both feet and then put them down. And then again, lift the arches. And notice when you lift the arches, what happens in the standing in yourself. Put them down. And now leave the arches where they are. And now squeeze your buttocks. You can feel with your hands if you like or not. And then let go. And again, squeeze the buttocks. Let them go. One more time, squeeze. Hold the squeezing. Let go of the squeezing. Pause. And now lift your arches, keep them lifted. Squeeze your buttocks, keep it squeezed. Draw in the belly a little bit, and then let go of your belly, let go of the buttocks, let go of the arches. Pause for a moment. Once again, lift your arches, keep them lifted. Squeeze your buttocks, keep it squeezed. Draw in your belly, and this time inhale and widen in your chest in all directions, up towards the collarbones, towards the lower ribs and the side, the armpits, the back. Let go of the chest and the breath, let go of the belly, let go of the buttocks, let go of the arches. Pause. And now take your arms and see how is it to take the elbows back. So we did this different ways today. How is it to take the elbows back? Is that feeling any easier to have that possibility? And now when the elbows are back like this, unbend your arms a little bit and then just take your elbows a little wider and then narrow and wider. And then imagine your arms sort of float out and your shoulder blades get a little wide. And then you take the elbows back, the shoulder blades come a little together, and then the shoulder blades get a little wider. Just space in between them. Find wherever your arms want to go to find that space, and then let the arms come down. And now we'll bring it all together. So lift the arches, squeeze the buttocks, draw in the belly. Inhale, expand the chest, and then let your arms just sort of float and get wide in between the shoulder blades. And then let the arms go down and let the chest soften, the belly soften, the buttocks soften, and the arches go. And then one last time, but this time we'll start from the arms. So you find this width in the arms, width in the elbows, sense of length in the neck, just a little something wide up here, and the arms are light, and then keep them there. Now lift the arches, squeeze the buttocks, draw in the belly, and then inhale and widen the chest. And then let the arms go and the chest and the belly and the buttocks and the arches. See how you're standing now. Take some time to stand and to notice. If you like to walk around now, you can too. Or you can look around. What do you notice now? If you have some time to walk after this, could be a good way to integrate. Breathing much easier, digestion improved, feeling more whole, hence more powerfully present. Deep gratitude. Oh, so happy to hear. Great feeling of stability and respect for my own legs and feet. Ooh, I love that. To be continued. Thank you so much.